mayam jibu kaim lamdai lakpa jano MEIPA ai kalle ba itong tong ale as masa khangmu ju ba yaure khoi mamang da yaugi ba yaure
kai sampat ta leiba MEIPA group of dance studios na akhan na film forum gi damang ta present toba asigma dance sibu choreograph direction pb revana actor Mahes thonaugjam mayam miang taminasi special fusion dance performed by MEIPA group of dance kai sampat
cinema film ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎ ꯃꯨꯠꯅꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯂꯤ
ꯑꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯩ
Today on this 14th Film Forum Foundation Day, we MEIPA Dance Studio with Film Forum Manipur salute to all the films who gave the best result at box office commercially and who broke the records and compete with other national and international films at box office in Manipuri theatre. In 1974, how can we forget the film Lamja Prashuram, who broke the record of national film Bobby at box office in Manipuri theatre. How can we forget the film Mairi, who broke the record of international film, Hollywood film Titanic in Manipuri theatre.
Radha, I thamogi Radha. Nangina kunta bala, kasiri punsi se. Kahambinu punsi se, manglal ki punsi la 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 la. Kahambinu nei maida, joy jai na bilai rang. La 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 la. Oi 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 oi. Krishna, Thamogi Krishna, Krishna, Thamogi Krishna.
How can we forget the film Olang Thagi Wangbatashu, who went neck-to-neck competition with national film Sholay at box office in Manipuri theatre, and many other films like Khontang, Kanagi Hingauni, Madhavi, Amambasu Anganvani. How can we forget those films who gave the best business in the box office of the Manipuri film industry? Many films came on this era of celluloid, video and digital films who gave the great business to the box office of Manipuri film industry and who inspire to all the new upcoming producers of the Manipuri film industry. Let's give a big applause to all those films.
3, 2, 1.
Many films came who attract the audience in the theatre for many weeks.
세보디 남가 이거 가오는 시 가나는 넘기에 얘는 시 하이
But nowadays, commercial box office market in theatre is coming down.
Film ima aidi nakhoi mayam punna nushinana faminaraga yengbaduni pamisi. Aina noknaba wari libada nakhoi punna nokminaba. Aina nushiba wari libada nakhoi punna pirang sinthaminaba. Adune ima aihakna pamjariba. Adubu chakhwalakpanara handakti aigi filmgi sangaida nakhoi mayam punna nushinana yengminnabado kaya ukidare. Migi miramdadi chakhwalakpagi matung ina nongmagi filmgi imasingna nushinana yengminnabado hengalakli. Mamangai matamdadi yamna urami. Matam kharagi mamangdasu yamna urami. Adubu haujikti uragasu mamangaiga manadare. Masi kari maramgino khummo ichasing khummo. Masi Manipur Film Theatre upgrade tawdabagira. Haujik matamgi cinema viewers singna pamjaba nungaijaba cinema theatre fangdabagira. Magun yauba film pothokdabagira. Social media da maru oina khankibagira. TV da lakpa lon tinadaba serials da maru oina khankibagira. Release hek tawbaga irai laina yam thuna this market da fangakpagira. Athingba ayetpa mayam thambagi oigadawribra. Atopa maram kari oigani khanbiyu mayamsu. Manipuri Film Theatre hinganse Manipuri Film Theatre hinganse. Amabu oirasu film nama aihakpu nakhoi mayamna nongmagi pamba hingalakli haibasi simadi khangi. Ado ijasa maram thigatpiyu chakhwatnanaba hotnabiyu. Aigi sangaida laklaga film yengbiyu. Nakhoi mayam punna nokminnaba kapminnabado ima aihakna pamjai. Imagi sangai mutlanganu. Imagi sangai mutlanganu. Imagi sangai mutlanganu. Mayam aikoy filmgi imung sing haujik mayri sina saki oiraga film mu hena chakhatnaba punna hotna minarse kalakpa yengsinba tokpiro mamang changsinbada mai onsilase.
Let's celebrate this 14th Film Forum Foundation Day, 29 August 2018. Let's cheer up, guys.
Haji Manipur film gi himai chumiba Manipur film bu kaida soiki gidage haina yingsin biriba Manipur Film Forum gi office beer sing gi damakta achaubu khuba amaga loinena test at lengkhat piraknaba ningsingjari. Please give a big applause for Sanjay Savar Mangoljao Singh, Chairman Film Forum Manipur. Please give a big applause for KH Vishwamitra, Vice Chairman 1, Film Forum Manipur. Again, please give a big applause for RK Homan, Vice Chairman 2. Please give a big applause again for Ganesham, General Secretary. W. Gozen Maitei, Finance Secretary. Rakesh Narayan, Secretary, Information and Communication. Please give a big applause for Permananda Laishram, Joint Secretary 1. Please give a big applause for O. Gautam Singh, Joint Secretary 2. Last but not least, please give a big applause for Mahes Taunazam, Joint Secretary 3, who fully choreographed this egg presentation. Please give a big applause for them. Manipur Film Forum gi Office Beer Singh na film gi gil tara mari gi mahut silaga mari sinasakhi oiraga wasang ama lauminarase. Madudi ngasi numit sidagi amuk hena chawkhatpa maning handawa anaw ba thabaksing kaya paikhatpada mangjang silase. Long live Manipur Films! Long live Manipur Films! Long live Manipur Films!